Hey guys, this is Abir Khan and you're watching Anik H Khan. This is day 18th of our vlog. And in today's vlog, I'm gonna talk about not to underestimating the qualities of someone other. And I'm saying this because yesterday I heard a news from a very well-known old friend of mine, and he said that he graduated from a well-known university of Pakistan, that is NED, which is number 2 in the list of the top Pakistani universities of engineering. And I'm saying this because he was supposed to be a very below the average student, and in this school I was above the average. So no one ever expected him to cross the boundaries and go out of the skies and graduate from a university which stands 6 Pakistan best universities. So I asked the secret of his success, and he said that before engineering he thought that he is really good at performing arts, and he was not. And he was putting way much effort on performing arts stuff. But then he realized that he is good at maths and physics. So he performed his best and he got the degree from a really renowned university of Pakistan. So all I wanted to share with you guys in this vlog is that do whatever you like and do what your passion is, and don't concentrate on the things that you don't think that gonna help you in the future. So that's it. That's the end of the day 18th. I'm sure you guys will like this vlog, and if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, make sure to subscribe and also follow me on Twitter and Facebook. And as always, thanks for watching.